Thank you, sir. I like the new office. Yeah. Yo, what's up mga kasanting? Very excited kami ngayon. Alam nyo ba kung bakit? Dahil today is our
opening of a new
Yo, what's up mga kasanting? Kumusta po kayo? Matagal-tagal na rin tayong hindi nakapag-upload ng video. And for today's vlog, very excited kami ngayon. You know why?
Yes.
Dahil ngayon ay opening ng new office ng Kasanting. Isa sa mga visitor po natin, si Mr.
Leo po.
Mr. Leo po, President and CEO of Haman Homes. Namin sa inyo kung paano pupuntahan yung office ng, or bagong office ng Team Kasanting. Alright? So, let's go! Guys, so check na natin. Itutour ko muna kayo bago maraming mga guests mamaya. Makita nyo po kung ano yung nasa loob. So, we are here located at Barangay Bundagul. Ayan, Nico Ramen. And the landmark is the Chicken Star before 7-Eleven. So, 4 kilometers I think from Santa Ines. And less lang now, guys. So, this is the front page of the office. Ayan. There's a balloon. And I want to introduce you our team here. Yan. Our admin, Mary, Ma'am Honey. So thank you for the balloons. No? Annie and Mary. Alright. So itutour ko muna sila before maraming mga visitor mamaya. So we have Bliss Living here. One of our team. Good morning. And Property Guide, Pampanga. Sir Ruel, yeah.
Morning!
And our one of the member, yan, Ma'am Jem, and Diana.
Let's rock and roll!
Let's rock and roll. So, itour ko muna kayo dito sa office. So, let's go! Alright guys, so upon entry, so we have a TV, yan, and we have this area here. No? Ito yung reception area natin. Okay, so we have, makikita nyo dyan, printer. Yan. So we installed, syempre, computer. And makikita natin dito, guys, yung mga award natin over the years, for 4 years na, 4 years running, 5 years. This is one of the hardest award that I got from Masaito Homes, and that is when 2019-2020 is on a pandemic, but see guys, even this pandemic we gained a very successful campaign. Marami tayong natulungan dyan na magkaroon ng bahay even if there's depression yung pandemic time. So this one is the Rookie of the Year. Ayan. 2019, and this one is 2021. Then this one is 2020, so first place tayo. And plus 2022, yeah, it's another award we got. So from Olivia Townhomes, and recently we got a awards, top 1 sales manager, top 1 sales associates. So there's my, coordinates. And last year, we have a team director of the year. Alright. But, yan guys, ito yung pinaka-memorable among the certificate or the completion, This certificate is very valuable to me because this is my first icebreaker. So, una kong sales yan. So that's why, very important. I plan to have a picture nga dito yung talagang payat na payat pa ako noon that time. Put it here, or piprint ko na lang. So, yan, meron tayong sofa na nilagay dito. And this one, more on Mandawi din, ano? Kung nakita nyo na yung house namin doon na dinrest up, doon din kami bumibili. And also this one. And so, doon yung service natin. If you want to have a tour, no? So, sa mga properties natin, you can use that, golf cart. Then, we have here this, this is the parang call center receiver, customer service area, no? Where we have our staff calling, assist clients. If you want to avail property, set an appointment, so we have this area. So, we have our planning board over there, and this is our kitchen. So it's right. So very simple, but we see to it that if you visit our office, we got you covered, no? Na medyo komportable naman kayo. Siyempre, we want you to more, comfortable. Lalo na if you are from abroad, no? Dito kayo sa airport, mag-land and you want to visit a property near Clark, you can drop by here or we can pick you up, no? If you are from, like, say, Visayas or Mindanao and you want to take a look, no? Na dito bumili or syempre planning for resettled, no? Kung gusto niyo na north or may property din kayo dito sa north because there's a lot of improvement going on here. So 2026, so we have a railway stations up and running na, and one of those our clients we have right now, may mga mga pilot tayo, mga flight stewardess because yun nga, yung ating airport are very very famous, no? Malaki sobra yung runway niya, and here yung mga dito, there's a lot of going on here, no? Yan, yung mga establishments. And we are in a techno park. Ayan. So, visit natin. So, yung brother ko. Ayan. Okay, so, siya yung nag-administrate dito. Nag-staff siya dito. So, kung wala ako, siya yung kunin niya, makita po ninyo. So, ayan guys, oh. So, it's very, very fun to makay tayo dito and meron tayong mga property doon na titignan. Sobrang lapit lang. And if you are gutom tayo, kain na tayo dito, no? So, this trip, papuntang Magalang, it's maraming mga project dyan and we can recommend you the best property na syempre makaka-avail kayo, no? Syempre, within your budget, maraming tayong pwedeng ma-offer. So, ayan guys. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Okay po, and let's now proceed inside the office to formally
United States, number one in Jewish American. We have units that are near. So let's push these units. We want
sulog ng building na ito, buhusan ng langis.
Ninyo, kaya. Full support naman kami sa inyo.
Yes.
Diba?
Sir, thank you po.
Alright, publication is part of our program and by the Director of Ilocos-Antique, mga tangay team, Mr. George Paul Jr. to give us.
Good morning, everyone. It's truly exciting day as we officially open our doors to our new office. This space represents a new chapter of our company, Mga Tangay Realty, Team Kasanti. And I'm thrilled to share with you, all of you, and I want to thank everyone who worked tirelessly to make this happen, especially my designer to this work. Let's go. Let's go. And everyone is including Mga Tangay Realty, Sir Christian Paulo Mga Tangay, and Mary Celine Mga Tangay. And Mama, really thank you for visiting. In a space not only functional but also inspiring and welcoming. I can't wait to see what we accomplish together in this new environment. Thank you and welcome on.
And the Chief Operations Officer, mga Tangay Realty, Mr. Christian Paulo Matangay.
Maraming speechless ako. At kapasalamatan ay ating binabalik sa ating Ama at sa ating dakilang tagapagligtas na si Jesus. And so yun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga taong nandito. And papasalamat po, syempre napaka-grateful natin ngayong araw. Kasi binigyan tayo ng time ng isa sa pinaka-powerful sa industriya ng real estate, which is ang CEO ng mga host na si Sir Leo Pono. Thank you very much, Ma'am Marlene. Sobrang sawa sa mga ito ang Kapam Alliance. Yes, so kung po kayo ay naka-witness sa opening po ng office natin na to. And of course, yes, and so yun, syempre, team, family, yan, sa mga, okay, spiritual, okay, and syempre, lahat ng mga Tangay Realty family na nandito, Mamayan, Sir Randy, Sir Amel, Ma'am Rosalie, and of course, syempre, napakasipag na si Ma'am Annie, napakagaling ko. Ang ating napakagaling na MC, syempre si Ordinaryo kanina. And of course, syempre, ang CEO ng Mga Tangay Realty, ang aking napakagandang asawa. Napakaganda at napakahumble na asawa. Napaka-sexy. Also, I appreciate so much that, of course, I love you. Basta yun. Okay. Sa last part na tayo. So ito. binitawan ng salita ng Diyos ng ating pastor, ating kaibigan na si Sir Larry. Actually, nataas ako doon sa sinabi niya. It's a simple reminder para sa atin. So, kahit nasabihin natin, gaano nakakataas yung naabot natin, huwag na po tayo makalimot kung saan po tayo nanggaling. And of course, kung hindi po dahil sa Kanya, wala po tayo. Lahat ng meron sa atin ay kaloob niya. Okay? So, even though nasabihin natin na tayo na yung pinakamagaling, nasa top list ng magagaling na realtor, agent, etc., i-praise po natin siya. Huwag po tayong mag-rely sa sarili lang natin na kaalaman, sa sarili natin kakayahan. Naniniwala po ako na kung wala po tayong Diyos sa pagkatao po natin, wala po kung ano man yung meron sa atin ngayon. Once again, Sir George Utol, we really appreciate your effort na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng office and yung wisdom mo, yung inspiration na ikakontribute mo sa buong Makatangay Realty family. We're so very grateful kami mismo mag-asawa and ang buong Makatangay Realty family. And you are truly an inspiration. Grabe energy, grabe effort yung pinagkakaloob mo. Marami ka pang mga tao matutulungan, nai-inspire. And yun lang, sana huwag kang magbago, pagpatuloy mo lang kung ano yung meron sa'yo ngayon. And yung changes na napakagandang changes na nakikita namin sa'yo. So tuloy mo lang yan, pagpatuloy mo lang yung vision mo, nandito lang kami to support kung saan mas makakabuti ang company, ang realty, team Kasanting, sa lahat ng team. So lahat po, buo ang suporta namin yung pagkakaloob sa inyo. And naway mag-ibabaw ang pagmamahalan at ang spirito ng Panginoong Diyos dito sa opisina na to. Alisin ang anumang mga spirito na hindi naaayon sa kanyang kalooban. At magtatagumpay ang kanyang plano. So maraming salamat ulit. God bless us all.
Alright guys, so natapos na rin yung ating opening and it was very successful. So naglilis na tayo. If you want to avail a property, depende po sa budget nyo, we can discuss this. You know, consultations na rin. It's for free guys. And there's no string attached. So I want to help you, guide you to own a property na syempre para sa family mo.
Maganda na yung outcome.
Yeah. So, natuwa sila yung mga ka-team natin. And we're really looking forward. Ito naman, ginawa natin para magkaroon, most especially sa mga client natin. So, we're very excited to meet you guys. And that's it. So if you want more information about property near Clark, you can contact me at 0921-538-449. So, muli, ako nga pala si Kuya George.
Michelle.
At Dream Home You Deserve.
Viva the Trust!
Alright. Bye-bye!